Hey, hello everyone. Good morning for you. Well, today is my birthday and I have some balloons behind me. Um, are you ready to start today LeetCode? Okay. As I had some internet problems, I will start to solve it here and now I will pass it to the console and let's see if that's work. The exercise is exercise 3423, maximum difference between Irish accent. No, this is not. Yes, this one. Exercise 2928, distribute candies among children's one. So in this exercise, we have, let me check something. Lovely. What's I can't see. No worries. I have my phone. Thank you. Cool. So cool. So in this exercise, um, we have two positive integers and limit, and we have to return the total amount of ways to distribute n candies among three children, such that no children get more than the limit of candies. So I took this example and I was playing for a while with the different possibilities and I arrived to this solution where I will initialize result as 0 and then I will search for all the possibilities combinations for I and j, and then the last column is going to be the difference between them. And playing with these two different values, I will be able to find all the different combination. How I will do that? First, I will use two loops and then I will check. This loop is going to go is going to start from 0 and the 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 maximum is going to be the limit, which is 3 here. So the same for j. So if we go through these numbers until limit, we probably are going to get more candies that we have. So to check that and discard these cases, I will check if I plus j is bigger than n. If that happens, I want to stop this j and I want to start the game with one more on I. So then if that's not true, if this is not true, I want to sum 1 to result because that means that the amount of candies between these two are smaller, so we are going to get here or not candies, but it's never going to be more than 3 in total, so that's going to be great. So then I will return result and let's see if that's work. So let's initialize, let result equals 0, and here I will for let's wrap that in brackets and then I will do the same for those ones. Cool. Okay, and I will wrap the other. So let's give some format, and we have here we have 2 4s. Okay, that's going to be in the middle, and then we want to return results. Let's see if that's work. Looks well. Okay, it says okay, break probably is not. Yes, break. Okay, now looks better. It looks better. Well, that's work for this case, but not for this one. Output is 9 and output must be 3. So let's log here the values of J and I and see what's happened. Console log, and let's log the values. I and J. So here I will be able to see what's happening. Okay, we have a 0 and 0, and that's going to be possible, and 0 and 1, and the other one is going to be okay. We have to check as well. Probably in this case 0, 1, and 2. Here we have 0, 1, and 4, and the limit is 2, so that's not going to work. So I believe I have to check here as well that I okay, is this case where n minus j minus I is going to be the third column, and this value must be smaller or equal than limit, right? Makes sense if this other number this other number is not smaller or equal than limit. We are going to sum 1. Okay, now I broke everything, so I will ask for help. I will comment that was my attempt of solution, and that's not well. So here I have a 9, and I have to find just 3. Probably here in the third column I can log that as well. It's n minus I minus j. Let's see now all the values. 5 must be, yes. So this case is not gonna work because 5 is bigger than the limit. So this is not a possible case. As well this other one, no, 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 yes, no, yes, and yes. Those 3 cases are okay. So I will try again. So now I'll say I and J and the third column, all of them must be smaller or equal than n. No, limit, sorry. Wait, I'm breaking here. So if they are bigger than limit, I will, yes, if they are bigger, J. If J is bigger, I will stop.
Can J be bigger?
Can J be bigger? No, because here, no, J is never bigger.
Why?
Because I'm breaking here.
So
Perhaps I can add here an or.
no. I'm asking a question. I don't ask you to.
Okay.
Don't do anything before you understand.
Okay. J never is going to be bigger because I'm breaking when I have more than n. So,
No.
okay, I don't know.
Think. Read. I don't know. Yeah.
Perhaps that's a problem.
No.
I'm trying.
Touch J and see all.
Touch?
Yes. Click.
Yes.
Okay. Now see all. That's the scope of J,
Yes.
right? So read those lines and maybe you'll find something.
Here, I'm stopping when J is bigger than the limit. And perhaps I have to stop when the third column is bigger than the limit. It's bigger than the limit. No. Okay, I will comment that and I will write again and well.
So what's the explanation?
I'm increasing J until J is equal to the limit. When J is bigger, I stop.
Okay.
That's all my research. Hey, how are? Buenos días. So my problem right now that I'm getting more results that I have, but the good thing is that I have here the correct one. For example, this one and the last two. So okay, I have to check if the third column is bigger than the limit and I have to stop. But I did that, or I tried to do that, and I couldn't. I'm thinking that if that's happened, if this number is bigger than the limit, I have to break. But it doesn't work. N is
Wait, you missed a parenthesis.
eyelid. Oh, thank you. Um, I'm not. I'm not doing. I'm. I used to do more posts on LinkedIn. Now I am a bit more here on Twitch and on LeetCode, but I really enjoy doing them. Yes, for sure. For sure. I'm always on LinkedIn looking and reading things. Oh, I that's nice. I really like see and comment post because I love when people do the same with me, so I try to spend some time doing it as well. It's amazing get feedback. I don't know if my feedback is so useful, but I'm here. I'm there trying to being supportive. Okay, let's do the thing. Here I'm getting the third column, right? If that's bigger than the limit, I want to stop, right? This case, for example, I want to stop as well here and here and here and here. But if this is not bigger, I want to sum. Okay, no, but I'm blowing that. Let's see. I don't know.
So,
Okay. I have just 3 and it's bigger. Okay, that must be limit must be bigger or equal. This must be smaller or equal. Okay, now than limit. Limit is 2, not 5. Why I'm getting a 5 here? And well, it's bad, but not too bad. It's a bit better because here and here, no, I lose a good one.
You're doing console logs.
Yes, here.
You should do only the ones that pass.
Here.
Yeah, those are the ones you're counting.
Yes, let's see.
So
It's a good link. Have you checked? Oh, sorry, I'm so scary. Last time I get a link and I was, oh my gosh, what's that? I get in problems last time. I will finish that and then for sure I will let's look to your app. Okay, well, those one are passing my filter, which is not working. So 005 is not working. Why? This 4, 2, 1. I used to have another example, and this one used to be okay. Okay, yes. These two and this one are okay. So let's pay attention. Here I'm checking if there's more candies that I have, which is awesome. And here I'm getting all the cases, but I need to, okay, Shay is, okay, I will check here. If this thing, no, this thing, if this thing is bigger than the limit where I am, I want to write. If this number is bigger than the limit, I want to stop. Let's see. Solaris, hi. Are you doing educational content on CF in 30 minutes? I don't know what's that.
Code forces, maybe?
Code forces? No, I think I don't know what's that, but if you want to share with me what is it, I'm more than happy to see. Oh, thank you. Yes, it's code forces. What's that?
LeetCode, but different.
Okay. Sounds like it has a time, a limit time. Okay.
Oh, now you're outputting 0?
Yes. Probably never. This is minus I minus j. That used to be the third column. And if this is bigger than the limit, I want to stop. I don't know why I'm breaking everything.
Right, on this. Okay. When the last one is bigger than the limit,
Yes.
let's say you have 4 here, right?
Yes.
You have 4. In that case, you don't want to break, because when you continue adding to Shay, you take from this pile. So in that case, you want to just skip this iteration.
Okay.
But when j is bigger than the limit, j plus I, because j continues to grow, then the rest are going to be bigger than the limit.
Okay. So
Makes sense?
no.
What's break? You stop the iteration of
Yes.
Shay.
Yes. Okay. It's
Yes, in this case,
I need just
you
jump
want, yes, continue.
and
Ah,
that was. So let's run all the test cases. How you check if the candles of each one are less or equal to the limit? Okay. Yay, we did it. It's slow, but it's honest. Honest.
The improvements now.
Yes. The improvements were. Can you see that when I'm here, my cursor disappear?
Huh.
Ha, good hack, eh? It's a fixture. So, well, I think that the one possible improvement is get this as limit. So
Start easier.
okay.
So what's the limit of I?
The limit of I is now
Of I.
the total candies.
Huh? This one?
Yes, 3.
Yeah, that's limit.
Yes.
Well, only if you have that many candies.
Yes.
So it's the minimum of.
Is candies less?
Now you have to make another variable.
Yes. Okay.
And say like I end.
I n.
Yes. And now that's either limit or n, whichever is smaller.
Sorry.
If n is 3 and limit is 3, like
Yes.
this,
Yes.
I can go up to 3,
Yes.
right? But if this is like
5.
5,
Yes.
do you want to go up to 5?
Yes.
No, because you only have 3 candies.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay, and the opposite is also true. If this is 5,
Yes.
then you don't want to go to 5 because the limit is 3.
Yes.
So it's the minimum of both of those.
Okay. So it's the smaller.
Yeah, the minimum. There's a function for that.
Okay. That's going to be called
Yeah, you have the variable.
math
This is
math
Let's do it.
dot mean, and here I will
Come on.
get n and limit, right? So here I will replace that by I
Okay.
n, and for Shay I want to go J is going to be
This is so annoying.
This in minus I, right? Is going to be I n minus I, because I will spend some candies here, and J is going to grow until n minus I.
Maybe, yeah.
And
so you don't need anymore the I plus J bigger than n.
yes.
Okay.
So let's okay, I have a log here, perhaps it does everything slower. Okay, I broke it. Hmm. I plus J. I'm never checking. Okay, yes, here.
Yeah. It's not I and minus I. This is wrong.
Okay.
So you should do another variable. Decide there what the J end is.
J m is equal J m is equal to. It's not equal to that.
What is going on?
But what is? The end of J is going to be if the end of, in this case, was the minimum, and I'm okay. J is going to grow until 3, right? Yes.
Hmm? You have to express it in terms of limit and end.
So limit is 3 and n is 3. So in this case, it's going to be 3. But if we have as, it's the same as before.
No, it isn't.
The same as before minus 1.
Well, if you say like that without
Minus,
any thought process, I'm just going to say no.
it's not minus 1, minus I. Because
Well, minus I, same. It's not that. Don't jump to conclusions. Think step by step. It's like an LLM. You have the two numbers there, do the thingy, and decide what to.
Perhaps I didn't understand it. J is J is going to be equal to to what? J. Why this 4 is angry?
Because you have
This.
the
Yes, I got it.
because,
I got it. Yes. N minus limit. No. The previous one was the smaller than between these two. Now, I believe that J is going to be equal to the smaller minus I, because I have, if I have, I don't know, I can't think.
you have two things, N and limit.
Yes.
You previously had limit.
Yes.
When you use candies in I, candies, when you
Candies?
use them in I,
Yes.
which of those does it affect?
J.
Okay, so you have to try things. You can't just guess. So you have to say like, oh, N is, I don't know, like I is something here. I is 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now try things. Try like, if N is 3 and limit is 3 and I is 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's the biggest value of J I want to go to?
2.
Okay, 2. Why?
Because I have 3 candies.
Yes. But if limit is I don't know, if you had like 5 candies, 4 candies, what's the biggest value you want to go to?
3.
Okay, so if you do the minimum of these 2 minus I, it's 2. 2, not 3.
I say that before twice.
Yes, and it's wrong.
But yes.
It can be the minimum of these 2 minus 1, because that's 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so here's the thing. Using candies in I doesn't change the limit. It only changes n, the number of candies available.
Yes.
Okay, so do you know how to do the equation now?
I have to J is going to be equal to candies minus I minus candies on I. No.
Okay, let's go back. In I, it was the smaller of n and the limit, because you had all the candies available.
Yes.
In J, you already used some candies in I.
Yes.
The limit hasn't changed.
No, the limit is the same, but candies are
Okay,
less.
so what's the end of J? J end. What's J end?
The total candies minus candies and I.
Yes, but what if you reach the limit? Like if
The
this is 40,
smallest
okay,
between smallest numbers. Here I will get candies. And here I will get limit. I have to find the smallest between these two.
okay. Now it's better.
Okay, let's do that. Mm.
Why is this not working?
So Cheyenne is going to be mathmin n minus 1 minus I and limit. So I will use Cheyenne here. And I will run, no, I will delete that or comment. And let's see. Cool, it's work. So fast. Now is awesome. So I will check now. Okay. Well, we have already done our LeetCode, so let's see. Um, hey, thank you. Someone is subscribed. Sorry. Yes, I can't see here. But thank you so much. Welcome. If you want to write, I can read you. So, well, let's see the links. How I can get them. I will send through WhatsApp. How I here, yes. Explora, inspirate, encuentra el camino a tu hogar. Oh yes, I already saw this page. It's awesome. These 3D are so cute. The images. How did you the images? Um, it's so. Have you? I think that I've seen this website before, but now it's so much nice, right? Yes, perhaps. Explora tu camino, encuentra tu hogar, Quintana Roo. Let's. What's happening here? It's my. Perhaps is my screen, but there is something else. Oh yes. Okay. So nice. I love this kind of frames, lights. What's that? A drawer? This website is it's awesome. Congrats. It's a lovely work. You did it so nice. I think that the only thing that I find is this drawer when it's up, I can see at all, but then yes, it's just this detail. Oh, you can log it. It's a lovely website. So and then Solaris asked me about Code Force. Okay, before the contest. Okay. I think that I have a lot already with LeetCode, but looks so fun. So funny. Ryan is the winner, is the owner, is the sponsor. What's Ryan? Okay. There is so much exercise to do always, so it's a good page to know. Thank you. Well, I will stop here for today. Was so nice see um um Shower and Solaris writing in the chat. It's always awesome when someone is here. Um, and if there is someone else as well, thank you so much. And I will stop here for today, but as always, I will be tomorrow doing a new one, LeetCode, and getting in problems again. So I wish you a lovely day, and I hope see you tomorrow. So bye bye. See you.